Hello friends. Welcome to our channel. Here we talk about smartphones, smartphone gadgets, and their features. Today we will talk about Redmi 13C, a budget smartphone. The Xiaomi Redmi 13C was announced on November 10, 2023, and it was released on the same day. The starting price for the device is $140. It will be released in December 6 in India, so let us talk about the features of Redmi C13. Storage and RAM 4GB plus 128GB 6GB plus 128GB 8GB plus 256GB LPDDR4X plus eMMC5. Dimensions: height, 168 width, 78 thickness, 8.09 weight, 192G*. Data obtained from Xiaomi internal labs. Display 6.74-inch. Drop display 1600x720, 260 ppi brightness, 450 nits, TYP, 600 nits HBM refresh rate, up to 90 Hz. Supports reading mode, DC dimming, Corning Gorilla Glass screen, TÜV Rheinland low blue light certification. Rear camera, film camera, HDR mode, night mode. Portrait mode, 50MP mode. Time lapse 50MP, main camera 5P lens. Front camera, film camera, HDR mode, soft light ring. Portrait mode. Time lapse 8MP, front camera f/2.0 front camera. Battery and charging 5000 mAh, TYP, supports 18W PD charging. 10W power adapter is included in the box. Power adapters that support 18W charging are sold separately. Recommended to use 18W or above power adapters that support PD charging. Availability of inbox charger may differ across different regions. To learn more, please refer to your local sale channels. USB Type-C.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.